Hey everyone, welcome back to Autoverse, the channel where the road meets innovation, and every machine has a story. If you love travel, adventure, and next-gen automotive design, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most striking motorcycles of 2025, the BMW Golden Age. This bike is more than just a nod to nostalgia, it's a fusion of past elegance and future performance that's turning heads across the world. Now, when you first lay eyes on the BMW Golden Age, it immediately feels like a time machine. A bike that could have rolled out of an alternate 1930s where futuristic dreams met Art Deco curves and industrial power. This isn't just a concept anymore, it's a limited-run production model, and BMW Motorrad has absolutely nailed the balance between heritage and cutting-edge engineering. Let's talk design first, because that's where this bike casts its biggest spell. With its elongated silhouette, polished alloy fairings, and flowing bodywork, the Golden Age pays tribute to streamliner aesthetics of the early 20th century. The tank melts seamlessly into the seat, the front fairing wraps around a single LED headlight with an old-school projector vibe, and even the wheel covers hint at vintage aerodynamics. Yet every panel is precision-cut, every curve calculated. This is retro brought to life by modern technology. BMW used a lightweight aluminum-magnesium blend for most of the body panels, which gives the Golden Age an unexpected sense of agility. It might look like a heavyweight cruiser, but it feels more like a sport touring hybrid once you're in the saddle. And speaking of the saddle, it's one of the most luxurious designs I've ever seen on a motorcycle. Wrapped in hand-stitched, sustainable leather, the seat molds to your form, delivering long-distance comfort without sacrificing that classic café racer line. Even the handlebar grips are leather-bound, giving you that tactile, high-end feel every time you reach out. Now, under all that beautiful exterior lies some serious performance. The 2025 BMW Golden Age is powered by a 1250cc twin-cylinder boxer engine, derived from the R1250R, tuned for torque and smooth delivery. It makes around 136 horsepower and 143 Nm of torque, which means it's got plenty of grunt for overtaking, climbing, and cruising effortlessly at highway speeds. But this isn't about raw power, this bike's about the experience. BMW's shift cam technology allows for variable valve timing, meaning you get smooth low-end delivery when you're cruising through the city, and sharp performance when you open it up on a twisty mountain road. The 6-speed gearbox is buttery smooth, and the shaft drive keeps the ride quiet and virtually maintenance-free. Riders also get all the modern rider aids: ABS Pro, dynamic traction control, cruise control, multiple ride modes, and even BMW's new adaptive cornering light system, which adjusts the headlight beam based on your lean angle. It's like the bike knows what's around the corner before you do. The suspension setup is equally impressive, electronically adjustable, with a semi-active damping system that reads the road in real time and adapts accordingly. Whether you're hitting cobbled streets in a vintage town or carving up alpine routes, the Golden Age delivers a ride that's both plush and precise. Now let's talk tech, because despite its vintage look, this bike is quietly futuristic. The Golden Age comes with a hidden 6.5-inch TFT display that only lights up when the bike is started, preserving the classic aesthetic when parked. The dash is fully customizable, offering navigation, ride analytics, music control, and even smartphone integration via BMW Motorrad connected app. One thing that really sets this bike apart is the attention to emotional connection. The Golden Age isn't just made to ride, it's made to admire. Owners get access to a special BMW ownership program, which includes custom riding gear, curated long-distance tours, and even exclusive vintage-themed events. BMW also offers customization packages, where you can personalize the paintwork, add gold leaf detailing, or choose from a range of period-inspired accessories like leather saddlebags and classic helmet designs. And let's not forget the sound. That boxer twin engine has a uniquely tuned exhaust that growls at idle and roars on the throttle. BMW worked with acoustic engineers to shape the exhaust note into something that feels both powerful and emotionally rich, not too loud, but deeply satisfying. So, who is the Golden Age really for? It's not just for collectors or BMW purists, it's for anyone who believes that motorcycles should tell a story. It's for riders who crave more than performance specs, who want emotion, presence, and a bit of soul in their ride. Sure, it's not the most affordable bike on the market, but then again, it's not trying to be. It's a statement, a rolling piece of art. A tribute to the golden years of motorcycling, brought forward with the best that modern engineering has to offer. So that's the 2025 BMW Golden Age, a bike that looks like the past and rides like the future. Let me know what you think about this beauty in the comments. Would you ride one, or would you park it in your living room as a sculpture? If you enjoyed this ride through time with us, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Autoverse, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. We've got more amazing machines coming your way, from futuristic campers to retro roadsters. Thanks for watching Autoverse, where every journey begins with a story, and every ride is worth remembering. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.